Hey, have you ever seen a wild tiger up close?
Yeah, I went on a safari once and saw a whole herd of elephants too.
That's so cool. I've only seen wild deer and rabbits in the woods near my house.
Those are still wild animals. It's amazing to see them in their natural habitat.
Looks awesome, right? In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make videos like this using Filmora, from coming up with a script to creating animated characters that can move and talk. By the end, it will be easy to start an animated series and maybe even make some money on YouTube. Let's jump in. We'll start by creating a script for our animated video. On Filmora's homepage, click the three dots, then select AI copywriting. Choose video oral script and enter a prompt like I did. You can find mine in the description, but feel free to change the topic or number of characters. Once you're done, click generate and the AI will write a script for you, similar to this one. Minimize the window for now, we'll come back to it later. Now create a new project. The next step is to add text to the timeline, one text box for each line of your script. In my case, that's 4 lines. Next, click on the first text box, copy the first line from your script, then paste it here. After that, just repeat the same steps. Add each line to its own text box. Once you've added all the text, click on the first text box, then go to text-to-speech and pick a voice that fits your first character. I chose this one.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Click generate and then do the same steps for the other text boxes. If you have multiple characters like I do, try using a different voice for each. I've got 2, so I picked the male and the female voice. When you're done, just delete the text boxes and we'll move on to the next step, creating our anime characters. Go to the Stock Media tab, click on AI image and describe the kind of character you want. You can use my prompt from the description and change it to fit your idea. Now click here and choose this style, then hit generate. After that, repeat the same steps to make another character. Now let's save the images we like. First download them, then click on snapshot to export images of both the first and second character. Once that's done, I'll show you how to animate them to move and talk. Under the Media tab, click on AI Media, then select Custom and add the image of the first character. Choose Landscape, then click Submit. Next, type a description of what you want the character to do. I just typed make the character move and speak, but feel free to add more details for better results. Pick the mode that works for you, then click Generate. You'll find the results in My File tab. Don't forget to repeat the same process for the second character, then wait for everything to finish. Once you've generated all the scenes, add them to the timeline, one for each sentence. Start with one character, then switch to the other. Repeat the process and make sure to align the scenes with the audio. Now let's find the perfect background music. Just click here and select Smart Background Music Generation to create cool AI music for your video. You can adjust the volume and add fade effects. This video is just an example, you can also add effects or transitions to make it even better. After editing, my video looks like this.
Hey, have you ever seen a wild tiger up close?
Yeah, I went on a safari once and saw a whole herd of elephants too.
That's so cool. I've only seen wild deer and rabbits in the woods near my house.
Those are still wild animals. It's amazing to see them in their natural habitat.
Hope you enjoyed this. Check out my other videos on Filmora and how to remove objects from videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.